Hello student, I'm Dr. Paramita Basu from keyartndesign. So today UCEED and CEED result has come out, and as I think most of them have already seen, and those who have not seen the result, please go and see the result. And now people are asking me, ma'am, what next? For UCEED, those who are going for BDES, you have to see your rank, what type of rank you have, your own rank. If you are from any category, either from SC, ST, EWS category, then you have to see the category rank. Then you see how many seats are available, seat which is the number of seat which is available, and what is your rank, is matching. Then you think that yes, you will have a chance to get in. Number of seats, whatever is there, and your rank is very far off, then that means you're not cleared the UCEED exam. So after, if you have cleared the UCEED exam, of course you have to go to the website and carry on the other details which is required for the counseling and for the admission process. Those who are going for CEED exam, what they are doing is, it is not their result is not the end. They have to go for another paper called interview or portfolio round, which maybe call will come, and you can also register according to your rank to all the colleges available there. And please prepare yourself for properly for interview and portfolio round. If anybody wants to get guidance from me for interview and portfolio round, you can contact me. We are giving you the students for seeds who are going for seeds, interview and portfolio round practice also. And those who want to join our classes for that, please WhatsApp me in this number, and then we will provide you with all the details of the classes. I think this is very important for all the UCEED and CEED students who have come, given the exam and got the result. Please WhatsApp me or even message me what type of result you've got, and if you want any related anything to know about what is your rank and everything, please WhatsApp me in my number, and then you will ask me all the question. I will give you all the details to know more. And so I think this is important that now you have cleared, then you are going for a next step. But if you have not cleared, don't worry about if you have not cleared. There are many private colleges which are also listed in UCEED or CEED exam. There you can fill the form for that colleges, and if you give your rank there, then you don't have to give the first paper of these colleges. Only you have to appear for the interview and portfolio round. And if you want any more detail about the private colleges which are there, and how you can appear and how you can apply that for that also you can WhatsApp me in my number, message me your name, your state, and whatever you want to ask, you can ask me. I think this video is very important for all the students who have given UCEED and CEED exam. So don't forget to like and share, and those who have come first time in this channel, do subscribe. So we will meet you with more such informative videos. Bye for today.